Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English version, Math, Decimal Fractions chapter, exercise 7b. Question number 6. A rectangular land has the width of 4.7 meters and the length of 12.8 meters. Find the area of the land. Rectangular land. Rectangular means the width is smaller than the length and opposite sides are always equal, and this is 90 degree. Each of the angles are 90 degree. This is called rectangular, and we call this width, and this is length. Length is longer than width. Here width is 4.75 meters. 4.75 meters, and length is 12.8 meters. Now what is the area? We know area of a rectangular land. Area equals to length into width. Length into width. What is the length? 12.8 unit meter. Multiply by width, 4.75 meter. Equals to, let us write the numbers or fractions first. 2.8 into 4.75, and the unit m into m, meter into meter, means square meter. Square meter. In case of area, the unit is always square. If it was inchi, then it would be square inch. If it was centimeter, the area would be square centimeter. If it was in kilometer, the area would be square kilometer. So here it is meter, length is meter and meter. So area is in square meter. So let us do the calculation. We will do vertical method. So 12.8, 4.75. Why vertical method? So that we do not make any mistake in calculation. 5 into 8, 40. 4 in hand. 5 into 2, 10. 10 and 4, 14. 1 in hand. 5 into 1, 5 and 1, 6. Next digit, and put a 0 here before you start. 7. 7 into 8, 56. 5 in hand. 7 into 2, 14. 14 and 5, 19. 1 in hand. 7 into 1 and 1, 8. Next digit, multiply by 4. Before that, put a 0 here. 4 into 8, 32. 3 in hand. 4 into 2, 8. 8 and 3, 11. 1 in hand. 4 into 1, 4. 4 and 1, 5. Add. Do the addition. 0. 6 and 4, 10. 1 in hand. 10 and 6, 16. 16 and 2, 18. 1 in hand, 10. 5 and 1, 6. Now we will place the decimal point. When we place the decimal point, what we do, we check how many digits before the decimal points were placed. 1 digit and another 2 digits. So total 3 digits before we will place the decimal point. So it should be here 60.8. So the answer should be 60.8 square kilometer. We just didn't write these zeros because on the right, zeros on the right has no value. Okay, now answer 60.8 square meter. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.